Hey, real quick before we get to the video, if you guys have any funny comic strips or slides or photos or testimonies, feel free to email them to me, SocoNaturalHealth@gmail.com. We'll put them into this slideshow here. What's up, guys? So magnesium is essential for so many different bodily functions. I believe over 200 different functions in the body through the cells in so many different ways, and everybody needs it. They're probably not getting enough either. Unless you're juicing greens all day long, or at least part of the day, you're probably not getting enough magnesium. And one of those warning signs that you're not getting enough magnesium is that you're getting leg cramps when you sleep. That's a big sign. That can relate to other electrolytes as well. So if it's not just magnesium, it could also be potassium. And I've got the perfect solution in this video, as you will see, and I'll get to it right now. Okay, guys, so this Trace Minerals brand has been in several of my videos. This has a really great orange flavor. It does remind me of Tang. If you're not a fan of orange, if you're not a fan of orange flavors, you probably won't like it. But I like it. I also like the Trace Minerals in general. I like that it dissolves pretty quickly. You can shake it up for increased fizzy dissolving capabilities. And then when you pop the top on whatever it is you've been shaking, you'll get that nice, like you're at 5,000 feet and you just ship something from sea level or something. That's so great, isn't it? Let's see here. Ingredient-wise, total of 3 carbs, but they're not from sugar. So it's non-GMO, citric acid, xylitol, inulin, non-GMO cornstarch, stevia, leaf extract, natural orange flavor, natural colors. Contains no known allergen. So that's good, right, guys? As far as magnesium, it says 150 milligrams in 1 tablet. And for me personally, when I started my magnesium supplementing, I took 1,500 milligrams daily. And what I've found is as I've continued to take trace minerals, I actually need to supplement magnesium a whole lot less. But anyways, I would highly suggest this, guys. I think this is a great product. Tastes great. Easy for on the go. Looks good. Tastes great. Tastes good. Man, how many more times can I say tastes great? 4 to 6 ounces. Link in the description if you'd like to help support the channel.